Alright guys, so today we've got some sneakers. We've got some sneakers to unbox, some stuff that I'm really excited to take a look at because I've been holding myself back. I haven't opened anything because I've been waiting to show you guys so we can experience this together. Got some exciting stuff like some early Yeezys. We've got some crazy Nike collabs. We've got some clothing as well actually that I wanted to show you guys. Let's get into it because I don't want to be wasting any more time. I want to get straight to it. So a lot of times in these unboxing videos I try and pick all of the boxes up and then it ends up falling over and it's a bit of a struggle. So I'm going to skip all of that and I'm just going to tell you I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes that we're going to be getting into, and we're going to start with the Adidas package. Okay, so this is a sneaker that I have been kind of meaning to get my hands on for a long time. However, I just never did. I know a lot of you guys messaged me about this pair of shoes, but I've got it and I'm going to show you guys which one it is. Now this is something that kind of had a relatively decent amount of hype and then just kind of fell off the face of the earth. It is a Human Race box. You can probably already guess what pair of sneakers this is. Human Race logo at the top is raised, so it's kind of embossed. It feels pretty good quality. I like the color of the box, pretty minimalistic and simple. The Human Race Adidas Cichonas. Very interesting shoe stuffing, as in like, look at that block of just cardboard that's stuck in the top of these. Okay, so let me pull this out. God, it doesn't want to come out. When you finally get all of the cardboard stuffing out of the shoe, you're left with this. And you know what? I'm giving this midsole a squish and it feels incredibly squishy. I guess this is the second colorway that released. The first one was all over blue. This is kind of a maroon color, which I do really like. The sock liner is pretty big, which I don't know if I particularly like. Gives it a mid-cut look. And then this is really random on the back here, this kind of shark fin. I don't know why they kept that on there. I'd definitely like to know from you guys, have you had this pair of shoes, the Cichonas? Have you ever tried it out? And if so, what do you think? Okay, so cool. That is the Adidas sneaker. We got something from Nike. This one I'm a little bit more excited to take a look at. This is something you guys did ask me for a review on. As soon as I show you the box, you're gonna know what this is. We are seeing this box so many times this year. I mean, obviously it's the Sacai collaboration box, all over orange. Oh geez, these are pretty cool. So this is the LD Waffle Clot and Sacai collaboration, a million different brands, and this is the second clot version that we've seen of the LD Waffle in a very nice colorway. This is an extremely nice colorway. It kind of, the way that it's created with the mesh and everything feels a lot more reminiscent to the kind of original Sacai LD Waffle that we saw of past. However, all of these recent ones have had something different about it, whether it's the fragment ones or the last clot collaboration. This one feels a lot more like the originals. Now, I will say that the materials I'm not the biggest fan of in terms of like everything other than the mesh. Like this is all a plastic kind of fused material, same with the eye stays, and then around towards the back, I'm not even too sure what material that is trying to be. Definitely not leather. It feels pretty plasticky. This is the Kiss of Death 2 colorway, and I think it goes super well on this model and just looks pretty damn cool. All right, so let's get into the clothing package. This one is super exciting. So let me pull out the contents and then tell you exactly what we got. So this package turned up the other day and I had no idea what it was. I hadn't really ordered anything in terms of clothing. So I was pretty surprised when I got this in, and I was even more surprised when I opened it up and found 2 little items here from Represent. So Represent just sent me this out of the blue. As you know, I wear a lot of Represent. Represent is one of my favorite brands at the moment. And again, this is not a sponsored video or anything. They just decided to send me some stuff, which is pretty incredible. So this is a hoodie. So this hoodie is from their fall winter collection that they just dropped in terms of their blanks. Their hoodies, if you guys haven't tried them, are like incredibly thick, amazing fit, like probably one of the best fitting hoodies I've ever found. I just want to show my appreciation for the brand and show you guys what I managed to get, because without you guys, none of this would have happened. None of this would be possible. This hoodie anyway is a really nice color of like kind of green, but not like the super out there green. Like it's a nice subtle grayish green, which I think is going to go tremendously with a bunch of different outfits. So along with the hoodie, they also sent me this right here, which is a sweater, and the color on this is super nice. So again, their sweaters fit super insane, like cuffed in all the right places, a nice high neck, really nice tight wristband, so it kind of fits really nice and baggy, and then a nice cuff around kind of the waistline, so it sits just above your trousers. And again, thank you so much, Represent, for sending these over, and thank you guys for making this all possible. All right, we got some more sneakers to get into, and this one is a double whammy. Both of these came in the same bag because they're not double boxed. So we got one box and we got another box. So let's just start here. Obviously, the two Yeezy 380s that dropped on Monday, guys. I didn't forget about it. I gotta pick them up and take a look at them. I didn't end up doing a review because by the time these got in, it was already too late. But I gotta say, guys, you know this, I'm a big fan of 380s, and I think I'm gonna be a big fan of these colorways. So let's see which one this is. As you know, there's two. Oh, okay, this is, oh man, these are nice. So this is the Pyrite colorway, the salt and pepper ones. This is super clean. I mean, it's got the alien vibes to it straight away. It's a nice bright color, so you can really see that texturized knit and the alien scratch marks all over it. Probably one of the best colorways to release to date. Like, this is an insanely nice colorway. But of course, to really confirm that these are the best, let me just unbox this second one. Oh man, this is another nice colorway. Okay, let's get them both out. Why they gotta drop two really nice colorways on the same day? You can't justify having them both. Why are we getting two on the same day? What if I want to keep them both, but I don't want to spend that much money on both of these? Why don't you just separate the release dates next time? It'd be a little bit more helpful. At least let me recover before I want to go and pick up the second one. I have a feeling you guys are going to find it hard to choose which one you prefer. Like, this is a darker version and a really solid colorway. It's like a nice chocolate brown with some lighter browns mixed in. Very alien-like, almost looks like a snake that you're wearing on your feet. I actually don't know which one I prefer. It's gonna be a hard choice. Which one is your favorite and which one did you manage to pick up? Maybe you went for both just like me. Either way, let's keep it moving because we got an early pair of Yeezys next. So let's get that tape off. So any guesses before I slide this open? I'm not even, okay, don't worry about guessing. Let's pull them open. Let's see what pair of foam runners. Oh, okay, it's the Red Octobers. These are interesting. The color is a little bit odd. Like, almost looks a little bit pink in this light. So I gotta say, the color of these is pretty interesting. I don't know if it's exactly what I expected, but I'm gonna have to, you know, wear these around, see what I think, and obviously post a review for you guys. You're gonna be going for them this month. There are a few surprises about this pair of shoes, but again, I'll save that for the review. Subscribe to the channel, but let me chuck these in the back. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. I am out of boxes, so I wanna thank you guys so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. You gotta be done. But until then.